Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to remove black background in CapCut PC. I am taking this video as an example, and you need to click on the plus icon to put on the timeline. And now head to the video section on the right side and go to the blend section. And this blend is automatically checked. So here you will see that there is a mode and drop down option. You need to click on the screen and your background is transparent now. So how you can check that it is transparent or not? So use another video. Before that, drag to the video to the upper layer and select this video on the beneath of this video. So let's play it how it works. You can see that the black background has been removed and only smoke effect is visible and transparent. So in this way you can easily remove the black background in CapCut PC. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.